the next 2 weeks. Who's excited? Wonderful. Now I have one request that you all please just remain seated. We are going to be driving by some pretty rough terrain. Some of these branches have long thorns. Don't want anyone getting hurt today. Be able to stop to pick up anything that might fall out of the vehicles. Everyone nice and tight. If you take a look above you, you'll see those animal spotting guides. Those are going to help you identify all the animals we'll see out here today. Season. One of the smaller pelican species, however, their wingspan reaches around 8 feet in length. Now, as we cross the bridge here, just make sure you all remain seated. If you take a look over to your left, you'll see why. There's some Nile crocodiles down there. These crocodiles can get to a length of 18 to 20, to be about 18 inches long. We have 7, just like we do. 7 neck vertebrae. So as we cross the bridge here, just make sure you all remain seated. It really doesn't sound any better than it looks. Okay. So far, so good. Alright, front wheels are off. And start the back. Let's go. Notice how that elephant is flapping its big ears. That can cool him down about 15 degrees. So it has blood vessels running through its ears. It kind of acts like a radiator system almost. Now here on the left we have some greater flamingo. These greater flamingo are actually not born that pink color. They're born more of a grayish color. 6 inches rather.
Uh-oh, big.
Now keep a sharp look out here on the left. We may get to see some cheetah. Some for zebra are that they'll clump together in big herds. The zebra make it really confusing for a lion or another predator to single out a zebra. A lot of habitat destruction, unfortunately. One of the main reasons why we're losing so many species today. We're losing their homes. We're being pushed out of them. Plus all sorts of issues. It does look like I'm going to have to drop you close off at the next warden's post. From there, it's just a short walk back to the Harambe village. If you're interested in seeing some more animals, I definitely recommend you go on the Pangani Forest Trail. Lots of cool friends out there. There's some gorillas that some of you are excited about seeing today.
If you're traveling with small children, they may sit on your lap or the seat next to you, but they must remain seated for the entire journey. Everyone will guide on our left. You will never see her again because this is a magical train that takes you from Harambe, Africa, all the way to Florida. explorers on board, make sure you collect all 6 badges. Just make sure everyone stays seated until those doors have been opened for you by Diana. She's the one waving on the platform. Trained at all times. If you're traveling with small children, they may sit on your lap or the seat next to you, but they must remain seated for the entire journey. Traveling with a personal stroller, please do not unfold it in front of the train until after you cross over that yellow safety line to do so. We hope you enjoyed your ride on the Wildlife Express and the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I will leave you with a few parting words from a wilderness explorer. He's my good friend Russell, and he says, remember, adventure is out there. So grab a park map and the animal guide and start your adventure today. Just keep in mind that the park does close at 6 p.m. tonight. Now here in Africa, we don't like to say goodbye because that's much too sad. So instead we say Kwaherini, which is Swahili for go well. And welcome back to Africa, everyone. Just make sure everyone stays seated until those doors have been opened for you by Marlu and Sarah.
Present to you His Majesty, Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration.
I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear that sound. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, I'm in the sheep section!
1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section?
Hey, come on, Lions, let's show where he is. 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey.
Come on, everybody. All together now. 1, 2, 3. To deny ambitions, all man, be prepared.
Sing the wheel aways.
But we'll sing the melody.
Appetite out of the way, professional artist coming through. Me, 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 me. Excuse me, my human friends. Since someone has neglected to establish a ear section, I guess that leaves me to sing the melody. So, if you finish with all that talking, can we start to sing along already? All right.
I think it's pretty clear. I think the giraffes and the elephants won!
Hold on there a minute. It's pretty clear, all right. Pretty clear that the lions and warthogs won!
You know what I think?
What?
I think it's time to finish this song. My darling, don't be my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Is this thing on? Okay. Hello there. This is Timon. We hope you enjoyed the show. It was great having you